What's up everyone, 4 days till Halloween, so today we're going to stay on theme and draw Phantump from Pokemon. Let's get started in the center of our page and draw two ovals for the eyes. So we start on the left side at the very top, draw an oval coming down towards the bottom of the eye, round this out, and go back up towards the top. And then we'll leave a gap in the center and draw the same thing on the right. So we're going to line up the top of the oval, come down towards the same height, and bring that back up towards the top. Let's draw two smaller ovals along the inside of the eyes for the pupil. Starting on the left side, go up toward the top, down, and then back up, go over towards the right. Let's add a fold on the outside of each eye. From the left side, we're going to step out, just follow the same curve of the eye, coming around and then in. Line this up on the right, and do the same thing. And then from the bottom of the eyes, we move to the center and draw in the mouth. Starting on left, curve up, and then down. Let's move up and draw the top edge of the head. We're going to start with that crack in the center, starting from the middle. Start with a point. From here, we're going to angle up and out towards the left, and then the right side. And then from the top, we're going to curve the head, going out, and then up. Do the same thing on the right side. Now we want to trace the same shape along the top. Starting in the middle, step up, start with another point, angle up and out towards the left, and then the right. And I'll trace those same curves, going out and up along the side. Now the top of the head is going to come out from behind. So from the left side, we're going to step in, start by curving out, then back in, round this out, and go back out towards the left. Just going to round this out, just pull it back over towards the right. Let's work our way back in towards the bottom. Starting from the top, curve in and back out, round out the right side, coming in, and then we'll bend that back out towards the right along the bottom. Let's go back to the outside line. We're just going to round this out and just pull that back in behind the head. And we'll trace that same curve along the inside, going out, then in. Let's fill the inside area in black. Now we're going to round out the side of the head. Let's start on the left side, curve out, down, and then in. Go to the top right, do the same thing, going out, down, and then in. And I'll round out the bottom of the head, starting back on the left, come down in the middle, and up on the right side. Let's add a little bit of wood grain along the top, starting on the left, curve out and then down, do the same thing on the right. Now to move out to the side and draw those two large branches. Let's start on the top left, start by curving out and then up. Line this up on the right and do the same thing, going out and then up. Let's round out the top and pull it back out towards the sides. I'm just going to round this out and pull that up towards the tip, going around and then up. Now the branches are going to get wider as we come back in towards the head. So let's start from the tip, curve out, and then in. Round out the inside, and come back down. Let's round this out and pull this in towards the bottom of the head. And down, and then in. And then we'll add some wood grain along the inside, starting on the left, out and then up. Line this up on the right. And a step down, draw a short curve going across the bottom. Now we're going to add two sets of leaves on either side. Let's start from the top, start by going out and then back in. And then from the top, we're going to curve in the opposite direction, coming in and then back out. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add one more along the bottom. Starting on the left, curve up, and then down. And then again, just curving the opposite direction back in towards the branch. Let's take that, flip it over on the right. Now we tuck the body in underneath the head. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, curve the neck coming down and out towards the left, move over towards the right, and do the same thing. And now we're going to draw on the arms, starting from the base of the neck, and go out, down, and just pull that up on the inside, almost like an oval. And now we're going to bend the body going out towards the right. Let's start underneath the hand on the left, curve the body coming down, around, and then up on the right. Just going to bend the top, come back down, bend out the bottom, just pull that up towards the tip of the body. And now the body's going to get wider as we come back in behind the right arm. Let's start from the tip, down, and then up, round up the top, pull that down in behind the arm, and that's pretty much it. There's Phantump from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.